From 8 teams yesterday, we are down to the final 4 squads entering our semifinals as we bring you the continuing coverage of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta, as we are once again jam-packed inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. The full capacity of the BREN GUIAO is 2,000 people. Of course, para dito sa bakbakan ng Level Up LUBAO kontra APALIT. I love it para dito sa ating game number 2 as we enter our semi-finals. Itong si Kent Montalvo and the rest of the APALIT, I love it, will give their hometown their win to date. Makakatapat nila dito itong unstoppable Franz de la Cruz ng Level Up LUBAO. Our game at hand, APALIT, I love it, kontra Level Up LUBAO. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabalan. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with the Chief, Enzo Galarosa.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Peren. Magandang hapon sa mga kabalan and welcome to this semi-finals round ng ating Delta Cup. From 8 teams, yesterday we are now down to the final 4 squads entering this semi-finals round as we bring you the continuing coverage of the 2024 Delta Cup. Familiar?
But before anything else, let's introduce the third member of our group, our courtside reporter, Milka Jazz. Para, Milka, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon, Pen and Enzo, at magandang hapon sa ating mga kabalin at mga ka-Ezalay. Now, we are heading to our second game, LUBAO Pampanga versus APALIT. Now, sino kaya ang unang makakakuha ng panalo? Who will it be? Is it the Team Unstoppable versus the Resilient? Abangan natin after the quarters. Balik sa inyo, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Milka Jazz. And of course, before anything else, pwede niyo pong tutukan itong ating Delta Cup 2024 on our different social media platforms. Of course, first, sa ating Facebook page at Pampanga PIO, at meron din pong YouTube channel ng Pampanga at Pampanga_PIO, and of course the YouTube channel of the broadcast partner of Delta Cup 2024 at Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. But before anything else, Enzo, Level Up LUBAO kontra APALIT, I love it. Tignan muna natin kung nasaan na ba itong dalawang kupunan na to dito sa ating tournament format as we are now dito sa ating semi-finals.
Yes, in the semi-finals round, lahat ng teams maglalaban-laban with the top 2 teams entering the championship round dito for a best of 3. And the number 3 and 4 seed maglaban ng isang laro, knockout game to determine the 3rd and 4th place of the league. Etong Level Up LUBAO, stunned. Etong Guagua, tulong-tulong tayo via CJ Delfino. Late game winning layup doon sa laro na yon, and the stop, a steal from Franz de la Cruz. Para naman dito sa panig ng APALIT, I love it. They decimated ang home team, ang Fernandino Kayabe last night in the main game, and one of the most exciting games in the tournament nang galing sa dalawang koponan na to. So we will see sino bang makakauna sa kanilang dalawa.
And of course, tingnan muna natin dito kung ano ba ang magiging game story natin dito sa laban ng Level Up LUBAO kontra APALIT, I love it. A head start.
Yes, kagaya kanina, di ba? Right foot forward no first game. Ito naman head start kasi nga makuha mo yung unang panalo mo dito sa semifinals round robin style natin. You have an advantage already. You need to at least just win 2 para makapasok sa finals. So para dito nga sa panig ng LUBAO and APALIT, they need a head start dito to at least give them a good chance to make it to the final round.
And of course, coming up is the battle between APALIT, I love it, kontra Level Up LUBAO. And to introduce our starting lineup, and I'm turning over to our arena announcer, Ryan Fajardo, para dito sa ating Delta Cup starters of the game.
Mayapat kat panahon kayo mga kabalan, and welcome to the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the 2023-24 Delta Cup Intercities Municipalities Basketball League Semi-Finals. Presented by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, the Pampanga PIO, and our broadcast partner, Sinag Liga Asia. We're live on Facebook at facebook.com Pampanga PIO, and also YouTube channel at Pampanga PIO and at Sinag Liga TV. This is the main event of the afternoon, featuring APALIT I Love It versus Level Up LUBAO. And now the starters for APALIT I Love It. At forward, number 1, Kent Montalvo. The other forward, number 28, Khaled Makapagal. Center, number 14, JP Maglala. At guard, number 23, Lendel Garcia. And the other guard, number 3, Yuri Masiba. Head coach for APALIT I Love It is Zaldi Mesida. Assisted by Edgar Pingol, Per Gardiner, Robert Perena, and Romel Ochengo. And now let's give it up for your Level Up LUBAO. At forward, number 8, France De La Cruz. At the other forward, number 2, Manny Pangan. At center, number 29, Allen Danan. At guard, number 17, CJ Delfino. At the other guard, number 22, Mark Manalang. Head coach for Level Up LUBAO, James Allen de la Peña. Assisted by Bert Vinuya, Mark Domingo, and Marty Ocampo. Our officials for this main game are Michael Galotera, Jong Banaya Jr., and Merz Isuga. It's
The starters for APALIT I Love It, Lendel Garcia, Yuri Masibak, JP Maglalang, Kent Montalvo, and Khalid Makapagal. Para sa panig ng Level Up LUBAO, Mark Manalang, CJ Delfino, Allen Daran, Manuel Pangan, and of course the unstoppable France De La Cruz. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo on the sidelines. Delta Cup 2024 is presented to you by the beloved governor of the province of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. CJ Delfino misses.
Agad-agad, gusto agad umatake nito ni Tasmanian Devil, but stop. And that's the interesting part. Delfino has not seen this kind of length and athletic ability sa kanyang mga kalaban in this Delta Cup. This will be the first test for the Tasmanian Devil.
Here, Lendel Garcia.
Good pass.
Nice find.
Better defense by Allen Danan there, getting
Look at
first
the height
block.
difference between Yuri Masibak and Allen Danan.
Para mga 1 foot yung height difference eh.
France De La Cruz against Yuri Masibak. Pass to Mark Manalang for 3. And there you go. Mark Manalang shots the first 3-point shot of the ball game.
Grabe. After a not so good game yesterday from Mark Manalang, today he comes out guns blazing. Pero binawian siya ni Lendel Garcia.
Another triple coming from Lendel Garcia. You know, this is quite an equal matchup. Lendel Garcia, one of the best point guards for APALIT I Love It, against the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino.
One of the best point guards in Pampanga, versus one of the best point guards in the entire nation in CJ Delfino, di ba? Ang ganda ng matchup, marquee matchup natin dito eh. But what separates these two teams is going to be the athletic ability of APALIT I Love It, I think. Para naman dito sa panig ng Level Up LUBAO, what separates them is their hustle, their defense talaga. Solid ng depensa nila. That's gonna be the interesting part.
Speaking of solid, that was a solid attack coming from Kent Montalvo.
That's what I need to see from him. Maging shot hungry siya, maging aggressive siya. Don't settle for jump shots. Attack the basket. Speaking of settling for jump shots, pangalawa na.
The shot coming from Mark Manalang. Back-to-back triple coming from Mark Manalang. Not so good ball game yesterday, but today he started on fire.
Yan na naman siya sa mga good starts ngayon. Ito, tumatakbo ng LUBAO.
Franz de la Cruz, all the way from LUBAO.
Grabe.
Makes that shot work.
Would you believe, born 2004 lang itong si Franz de la Cruz, and yet ganyan yung laruan niya? Kita mo pang mama na yun eh. Binangga muna niya si Makapagal. Dahil alam niya, if he goes straight up, Makapagal might catch him. Good use of the body. Look at that defense right here by Manalang.
And here, the Tasmanian Devil is running against Montalvo and Garcia. Misses that one. Rebound by Lendl Garcia.
That's what I'm talking about. That length and athletic ability na ito ni Montalvo can neutralize CJ Delfino in mid-air.
Look at that D coming from Franz de la Cruz. CJ Delfino with the basketball.
Open na naman.
JP Maglalang on the rebound.
They dodged the bullet. They're talking about APALIT. Wide open. Ito si Manalang on that side.
Lendl Garcia against Mark Manalang.
Pangalawang steal na niya kay Garcia to, ha. Great defense. Galing ito kay Mark Manalang.
You know, I thought it would be CJ Delfino against Lendl Garcia pagdating sa bantayan. But look at kung sino ang binabantayan dito ni Mark Manalang. It's Lendl Garcia.
Oh. Well, you need to preserve din naman kasi si CJ Delfino. And also, let's not forget, Yuri Masibak is on the floor then for APALIT. I love it, diba? So, yun yung tinatoka ngayon ni CJ Delfino on defense. Yuri Masibak, size for size, speed for speed, athleticism for athleticism ang mangyayari.
8-5 is our score with 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining for our first period. Kenji Gonzalez.
Maagang pinasok kasi Kenji Gonzalez.
Pasok siya dito. Para kay Mark Manalang. Kahit nakaka-anim na puntos ito si Manalang. Together with Manuel Pangan.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul against Manuel Pangan.
Yuri Masibak did the right thing. Tumayo lang siya doon. Hindi na siya gumalaw. And then, Pangan just struck him. And look at that. From near the free throw line, napunta sa baseline itong si Yuri Masibak. That's how strong Manuel Pangan is. And that's how disciplined defense ang ginawa ni Masibak doon.
Lendl Garcia with the basketball with 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Back to JP Maglalang. Kent Montalvo is going for a three. Too strong for Montalvo.
Imagine mo, ha. Montalvo ay Makapagal on the floor. Going off the bench is the growling tiger himself. Ice Danting, di ba? Did not shoot the ball well yesterday, but yung rebounding and defense niya talagang sobrang valuable for APALIT. I love it, especially if they want to continue this run that they're on going to the championship.
5 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. As Mayor Jun Tetanco of APALIT Pampanga together with Vice Mayor Peter Nucom still present inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center to support their team, APALIT. I love it.
Every game, no? Nandyan si Mayor Jun Tetanco and also Vice Mayor Peter Nucom. I mean, yesterday nga, di ba? Tuwan-tuwa sila sa laro. And nakita rin na yung crowd. Sabi pa ni Mayor Jun sa atin, di ba? Mas marami pa yan. Mas dadami pa daw. Kahapon, halos nga may mga hindi na makapasok dito. Dadamihan pa pala nila. Well, promises being kept by Mayor Jun, di ba? Tinawag, dami na naman tayong tao dito eh.
And in the history of Delta Cup, APALIT Pampanga brings the biggest crowd for our Delta Cup
Yes.
2024.
Well, the pride of APALIT is also here in attendance, di ba? Mamaya na lang for sure. Matututukan siya ng camera. Oh, Lendl. Butterfingers ang tawag dun.
He's here to support itong kanyang hometown.
Imagine mo back then, naglalaro lang sa mga ganto-ganto si Encho, di ba? Wala pang coverage nun. Hindi pa ata Delta Cup ang tawag nila. It's just a regular inter-municipalities tournament for Pampanga. And yet, kwento nila, dinodominate daw talaga ni Encho yung mga gandong liga sa
As the
Pampanga.
jumper works for Franz de la Cruz. Already 4 points now for him.
Grabe.
You know, the 10 points of LUBAO just came from 2 people.
Oo.
It's Mark Manalang and Franz de la Cruz. 6 from the 2 triples of Mark Manalang and 4 coming from the 2 points of Franz de la Cruz.
Yes, and you know, ganyan talaga ang level of LUBAO eh. They let De La Cruz and Manalang cook for the first 3 quarters. Pagdating na 4th quarter, it's Delfino time. And look at that pure jumper. Galing doon kay Franz De La Cruz.
How would you believe that this guy is just 19 years
19
old?
years old, di ba? The potential this kid has. And look at that beautiful stroke.
And look at that. CJ Delfino blows a kiss to level up LUBAO after that shot.
Look at that.
Take a look.
Take a look at the basketball once he lets it go. Look at that beautiful backspin. And the swish galing dito kay Franz De La Cruz. Kaya nga, lamang na sila dito. 13-5.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Turn the heat on in second half. LUBAO win against 65 against GUIAO with 61.
Grabe. And actually, through the first 3 quarters, walang may clear momentum. Actually, nagulat nga ako na 65-61 pero kinount pala ng mga referees yung last layup ni Franz De La Cruz. But it was 63-61 yung score after the Delfino game winner. And then Franz De La Cruz with the
Steal.
1,000 IQ play to get the delay of game warning para mabasa nila yung offensa ng GUIAO. Tulong-tulong tayo that game. And then he got the steal dahil nga nakita nila yung gagalawin nila sa depensa. Ay, sa offensa, should I say.
Going back to this ball game. Montalvo, then Ting checks in for APALIT. The growling tiger himself. And one of the pride of APALIT Pampanga. He checks in with Dizon. As Kenji Gonzalez. Too strong. Rebound by Kent Montalvo. Then Ting asks for the ball. Lendl Garcia to Edmar Dizon. That was weak pass coming from Edmar Dizon to Isaac Denting, and great D coming from Kenji Gonzalez. John Sita checks in for level up LUBAO after the timeout. Franz De La Cruz. Jumper once again. The rebound by John Mirabel.
Grabe yung
Montalvo
shooting
back
stroke
to
na ito
Edmar
niyan eh.
Dizon.
Kay De La Cruz, whenever he shoots, parang kutob mo na papasok eh because of that stroke that he has. Parang Klay Thompson eh. Look at that, Garcia, fearless. Nilawa lang ng ring.
13-5, an 8-point lead for level up LUBAO, the biggest leader of the ball game. With 2 minutes and 57 seconds on the game clock. 14 on the shot clock for level up LUBAO. Franz De La Cruz against Lendl Garcia for way downtown. It goes off to the center, but Denting on the rebound. Denting against Kenji Gonzalez.
Good defense by Kenji.
Denting misses.
Lilipad to. Look at that. Look at that move by the Tasmanian Devil. I was getting ready to say that line natawanan mo kanina. But Delfino, a true showman, the Tasmanian Devil, former San Beda Red Cub, will don the jerseys of Colegio de San Juan de Letran next season.
What an exciting season as Lendl Garcia will be substituted by JD Harlego. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Milka Jas, para dun sa kanyang report sa parehong koponan. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen and Enzo. According to Assistant Coach Marty Ocampo of LUBAO Pampanga, we are the team na willing mag-adjust every game dahil sobrang bilis ng games, and today's semis hindi kami nakapag-training. But because every games may improvements naman ng team, then I think yun yung magiging way namin to seal the game at manalo. While on the other team, head coach Zaldi Messina of the team APALIT, the effort we did yesterday, dadagdagan pa namin yun ngayon. Resilient yung kalaban namin, kaya dapat higit pa doon yung ipakita namin. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Look at that coming from Kent Montalvo by going back to MJ's report. No recovery time for both teams. Eh,
Yes.
no? Hindi talaga sila nakapag-prepare. No time for practice. But it's the coaching staff job to do. The good scouting. But ito, si Sean Lorico checks in for level up LUBAO after being suspended on their game yesterday dahil nga na-thrown out siya nung game nila nung quarterfinals. But now he's ready to play for level up LUBAO.
And I think he's gonna be the neutralizer dito for LUBAO. Kasi yung lalim ng guard rotation ni Coach Zaldi Messina of APALIT, andyan yung Justin Cruz, Edmar Dizon, di ba? Si JD Harlego. Tapos of course, the starters, Yuri Masibak and then Lendel Garcia, di ba? Sean Lorico can back up. Itong si Manalang and Delfino. As I say that, he scores, di ba?
Grabe, itong si Sean Lorico. But, you know, hindi nga maganda yung naging laro niya ng quarterfinals. So this will be his redemption game.
Oo. Kita mo, aggressive agad.
Sean Lorico plays for Coach J.R. De La Cruz. For the Hustle Rising Suns as J.D. Harlego makes his first field goal of the ballgame after the triple.
And like I said nga, sa lalim ng bench netong bench depth for guards ni Coach Zaldi Messina, kahit sino pwede gumawa. Ngayon naman, JD Harlego naman yung gumagawa.
The lead is now down to 6.
Look at Lorico with the offensive board.
You know, perfect na perfect pamalit itong si Sean Lorico kay CJ Delfino as Kenji Gonzalez. It was a bad game for him yesterday. Just 3 points coming from Kenji Gonzalez.
Oh, and right now, shot hungry ito si Kenji Gonzalez. How about that, diba? You have Franz de la Cruz and then you have Kenji Gonzalez on either side. Pero, again, Edmar Dizon.
4 points now for Edmar Dizon. Sean Lorico to Kenji Gonzalez. Back to Sean. Sean to De La Cruz. Back to Kenji Gonzalez. Too strong. Rebound by Montalvo.
Di makabuelo to si Montalvo. Ito, he sees a lane.
Edmar Dizon. Sean Lorico on the rebound. Lorico back to De La Cruz. Back to Kenji Gonzalez for 3 once again. Too strong. Rebound by Danting. Danting.
Naubusan sila
There
ng
was no
oras.
time left. The shot clock is already off. 7-point lead at the end of the first quarter. 19-12 in favor of level up LUBAO. As we take a look back, that beautiful pass. And the first field goal for APALIT, I love it, care of the best point guard, Lendel Garcia. And that jumper coming from the unstoppable Franz de la Cruz, the 19-year-old guy. And this Edmar Dizon to JD Harlego from way downtown. That's his first triple of the ballgame. And this hungry shot, Kenji Gonzalez wanting to redeem himself after a bad game yesterday, as 19-12 is our score at the end of the first quarter, a 7-point lead for level up LUBAO. Going back here, of course, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda together with the pride of APALIT Pampanga, Enzo Serrano, and the son of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And of course, sa likod pala ni Gov
Coach
Delta,
Medic,
nandoon
nagtatago.
si Coach Medic Di Matulak.
Nagtatago, nagulat ako.
I forgot the name. Yung anak ni
Daniel Pineda.
Daniel Pineda, because
For
he played
Pampanga Padera
for
Theme Park.
Pampanga
Oo.
Padera Theme Park together with Andre Dungo, Justin Garcia.
And syempre, let's not forget the highest ranking player doon. Yung number 1 high school player dun sa listahan na yun. Ryan Melencio. He was number 1 that year, di ba?
Of course, nagka-injury lang si Ryle when he was in Japan. Franz de la Cruz for 3. Too strong on that time. Rebound by Edmar Dizon. Good D coming from Sean Lorico. Mark Manalang for 3. Kakabalik lang niya dito.
Grabe!
Pero nag-init na ulit. Etong si Mark Manalang. 9 points coming just from Mark Manalang. 22-12. Now a 10-point lead for level up LUBAO. The biggest lead of the ball game. Edmar with a jumper. Rebound by Lorico. Lorico to Mark Manalang.
Open na naman si Franz.
And De La Cruz for 3. Back-to-back triple. Coming from the unstoppable unstoppable, and the 19-year-old Franz de la Cruz.
Ano ba pangalan nila? Manalang de la Cruz ba o Curry Thompson? Para Splash Brothers sila eh. Look at
Take
this.
a look at that shot coming from Mark Manalang as he checks in. And we open our second quarter, and that pass coming from Manalang to Franz de la Cruz from way downtown. No hesitation whatsoever, finds the bottom of the net para dito kay Franz de la Cruz. It's 25 to 12.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
Kept them at bay. 58 to 50. APALIT won over Fernandino Kayabica, the home team last night.
They were up for the most part of the second half. Itong APALIT, I love it. And then, they had a near meltdown dahil nag-init bigla si Frix Bautista and Raymart Cosal in the fourth quarter. But they kept them at bay. Enough na yung cushion nila doon sa laro na yun. For APALIT, I love it. And plus the fact that sobrang grabe yung crowd natin dito, di ba? Hindi mo na nga alam sino ba yung taga San Fernando, sino ba yung mga taga APALIT. Sa dami ng tao dito eh.
Coach Zaldi Messina is in charge of the APALIT I Love It basketball team, as that floater is no good for Isaac Danting.
You know what I'm seeing dito kay Ice Danting? Ganyan na ganyan si Encho when he first started with the Adamson Baby Falcons pa in high school. Bago siya lumipat na Lasal, Encho was all athleticism, all attacks. Bihira tumira na si Encho noon, and I see somewhat of similar game kay Encho Serrano when he was still starting with the Adamson Baby Falcons.
Jumper from Sean Lorico goes off to the right. Rebound by Silvestre. Back to Isaac Danting against Franz de la Cruz.
Pinagpag. Wow, grabe naman to.
Look at that fall again coming from Danting. Look at the build of this guy. Let's take a look back here.
Look at that, pinagpag lang si De La Cruz dun, no? And then, just soaring high. But he got hit in the face by Singe.
25 to 12. Still in favor of Level Up LUBAO. A 13-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game.
Now, this is the area where he needs to improve upon his free throw shooting. Medyo nung lumaki katawan niya, nawala yung shooting touch niya from the free throw line. And that normally
we covered
happens.
Isaac Danting. I was manning the sidelines on that time.
Huwag mo na sabihin yan. Baka mamaya ibalik ka talaga na taga-Obi. Andito ka na eh.
I mentioned that you were a panel that time, and I was in the sidelines when we covered Isaac Danting.
Payat pa eh.
But
Diba?
Christian is very improved when it comes to his physical outlook.
Siguro habang inaantay niya yung residency niya for UST, walang ginawa niya kundi magbuhat at kumain.
Nandun lang yun sa gym nila.
Oo. Nasa Q-pump lang yan siguro.
Mark Manalang, no good this time. Rebound by Khalid Macapagal. Back to Edmar Dizon.
Hindi na nakita si Arlego.
Danting asking for it. For three.
Bang, bang!
Ang layo
Bang,
nun.
bang!
Coming from Isaac Danting.
That's an improved shooting touch from Danting from the three-point land. A little bit inconsistent, pero ngayon, tinan mo yung stroke.
Look at that. Passing from Isaac Danting. And look at how shooting form of Isaac Danting. It's very much familiar for the shooting form of Encho Serrano. As 25 to 17. Timeout on the floor.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Franz de la Cruz with double-double performance. 21 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals on the quarterfinals round 2 yesterday.
And let's not forget the 13-point third quarter explosion, di ba?
Of course, now let's send it over to our courtside reporter, Milka Jos Raimundo, para dito sa kanyang second quarter report. Milka, take it away.
Thank you, Pen and Enzo. Franz de la Cruz proves to us the true sacrifices and responsibility of a leader inside the court. Sabi ni Franz kanina, hard work lang sa loob yung kaya niyang i-contribute ngayon sa game because he believes that if hard work yung mag-work sa amin ngayon, then 100% we can lead in the remaining quarters and get the win. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much on that report, Milka Jos. Enzo, look at that. That's words coming from this guy, Franz de la Cruz, no? Talagang hard work, pero hindi niya iniisip yung personal performance niya na he exploded yesterday on the third quarter.
Hindi pa iniisip yun, 21-12. Paano pa kaya pag inisip niya, di ba? Paano pa kaya pag inintindihan niya yung performance niya? Pero, just kidding, 19 years old, pero ganyan na mag-isip, di ba? I'm really shocked and amazed of how mature ang mga players dito sa Delta Cup. Yung Aldrin Serrano lang, kulang na lang sa kanya, media exposure eh. Kasi mahihain sumagot kapag ini-interview, pero ang galing maglaro. Franz de la Cruz, yung leadership niya on the court, it's him and Delfino. Ang minsan nagtatawag ng huddle for his teammates, and CJ's reciprocating that respect dito kay Franz de la Cruz. Na okay, mas bata ka, ako talagang captain dito, talking about CJ Delfino, but makikinig ako sa'yo. They're reciprocating that respect with each other, and natutuwa ako na bata pa lang siya pero marunong na siya mag-lead na isang team.
And going back 4 points coming from Edmar Dizon on that drive, and there was a foul and you were able to knock that 2 free throws. Makes this 8 points now for Edmar Dizon. As inbound for Isaac Danting. Back to JD Harlego. Balik kay Danting ang bola. He plays point guard right now. JD Harlego against Jancita. But JD Harlego is on fire for today's ball game.
I really love this APALIT crowd. They make everything exciting. Offensive foul. See? Even a turnover seems exciting dito sa crowd ng APALIT.
Even though hindi sila on yung offensive side that time, no, alam nila how important the turnovers was as Coach James Allen de la Peña of Level Up LUBAO.
Grabe, di ba? APALIT, dyan sila dumudukot ng energy sa crowd nila eh. But for LUBAO, this is where Delfino lives the most. Yung mga ganyang kalaban na crowd eh. Pero wow, what a shot!
Triple is good for Isaac Danting. Second triple.
Referee signals the replay. Titingnan nila kung long two ba o tres. As it stands, it's a long two daw.
Franz de la Cruz. Kenji Gonzalez rather.
Magkamukha talaga na.
Edmar Dizon on a drive.
Good block. And there's a foul on Pangan.
And look at that.
Grabe. Fearless ito si Edmar Dizon and the APALIT crowd. Wait, hold on. Was that 4th personal foul? Did 4th personal foul on Eman Pangan? In the second quarter, 4th personal foul na ni Eman Pangan.
That's too early to
Oh.
commit 4 fouls.
That means one more in the next 5 minutes of the second quarter and 2 more quarters later on. 4 fouls na agad itong si Eman Pangan.
Edmar Dizon misses that one. Five minutes and 49 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Now, a 2-point lead na lang para dito sa Level Up LUBAO.
Sayang lang hindi na-hit yung 2 free throws dun. Oh, look at this matchup. France versus Ice.
And that's what we are talking about earlier.
Oo.
This will be a battle. The best forwards who will remain the toughest. Is it Franz de la Cruz or will it be Isaac Danting?
Ang ganda ng Final Four natin, no? Match na match lahat ng teams. You can always see matchups na masarap panoorin sa mata. I mean, ito pa nga, Lendel Garcia versus CJ Delfino, di ba?
25 to 33. 2-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. From 12-point lead, the biggest lead on the ball game. 3-point coming from Franz de la Cruz. Too strong, off to the right. Rebound by Khaled Macapagal. Back to Edmar Dizon.
Open si Arlego.
Off to the left. Rebound by Delfino. Delfino will drive. He was guarded by 3. Harlego. Harlego dito. Misses.
Look at that.
There's a putback coming from Khaled Macapagal.
Angat na angat si Khaled Macapagal. Long arms, high leaping ability. Grabe. Tie game tayo, 25. Tough shot. tough shot against Danting. What a shot there by De La Cruz.
27-25, balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng level up Lubao.
Grabe ang hirap nun, na turnaround fadeaway shot against a good defender in Ice Danting. 19 years old? Ganun? Grabe. Look at Lorico. Rip it away from Silvestre.
Jump ball.
And bola ng Lubao because the ball possession arrow points to their direction.
Coach Zaldi Messina. You know, one thing about Coach Zaldi Messina, nakwento sa akin ni Coach Aisel, na player pala niya dati si Coach Zaldi.
Ah, talaga? Ganun ka bata itong si Coach Zaldi.
He mentioned to me kagabi, sabi niya, sino bang head coach ng APALIT? Sabi niya, si Zaldi. Sabi niya, oh, player ko yan dati eh.
Zaldi, Zaldi Ferrer. Kilala mo ba yun? Cameraman natin yun. Si Kuya Zaldi yun.
Buwis.
Si Kuya Zaldi yun.
Andyan siya, maya-maya.
Oo, kasi kanina si,
Si Mayor.
si Dowie Trista yung may hawak kanina eh.
Going back, JD Harlego.
Bigyan natin ang credit mga cameraman natin,
Oo
siyempre.
naman, saka yung poging director natin sa loob ng OB van.
Back to the ball game tayo.
Ay, inaan si Derek oh. Smart mo na lang for the rebound. Kenji Gonzalez. Scoring already 3 points.
Look at that switch. And again.
That was too strong for Franz de la Cruz, but Lorico was there on the rebound. Recovery for LUBAO. Too strong. Nandito si Danting.
Look at that. Buelo si Ice.
Look at that! Continuous drive coming on that rebound. Diretso sa ring nila. Makes this ball game tied at 27.
Too easy eh. Pero ito yung na-miss kahapon ng level of LUBAO. This effectiveness of Sean Lorico. Papantayin niya na papantayin yung bilis dito nila Edmar Dizon. And he's taller than Dizon pa.
Take a look at what happened to Danting. Coming from the end of the court, papunta ulit sa other end. Makes that basket good. And look at the celebration of the crowd of APALIT. And look at Coach Zaldi Messina instructing JD Harlego. Sean Lorico knocks his first free throw of the ball game.
Ito interesting fact about si Ice Danting. Did you know, Pen? Did you know? Kinredit siya. Part siya ng championship team ng Ateneo na kinredit ni Coach Tab Baldwin. Yung mga Team B players na yun na sinasabi ni Coach Tab Baldwin na ginagaya yung mga kalaban nila. He was part of that together with guys like Inad Fornilios. Kasama siya noon. Before he transferred to UST, he was part of that famous Team B team na kinikredit ni Coach Tab na ang trabaho ng Team B, gayahin nyo, panoorin nyo paano maglaro yung mga kalaban natin para ma-emulate, ma-simulate nila yung kalaban. He was part of that group. Pero love job, sayang.
But there was a putback for MJ De Leon. But you know, going back on what you have said, how great Isaac Danting before he transferred to the USC.
Great pa rin siya dun.
Oo naman.
Sure ako dyan.
Kasama niyang mag-transfer, one of the Mythical 5 awardee for the UAP Season 85 of the men's basketball team is si Fortsky Padregao.
And I am excited.
They both serve residency na magkasabay, so they will enter Season 87 of the UAAP for USC Golden Tigers. And I can't wait that one of the surprise coming from APALIT Pampanga
I cannot wait talaga.
will dominate in the UAP upcoming Season 87 of the men's basketball. JD Harlego.
Look at that putback, sayang lang. Very exciting nga, di ba? Yeah, makikita natin yung Bounce Brothers. Once SJ Moore gets healthy. Imagine mo, SJ Moore and Ice Danting for UST, di ba? And also, Mark Lemit, di ba? Magkaka-age lang yun eh. Nasa tumatalbog ng 20, 21 years old. Mark Lemit, SJ Moore, and Ice Danting. I'm excited for the future of my alma mater, the Growling Tigers, di ba?
Pero wala na dun yung favorite mo eh.
Sino?
Kenji Gonzalez for 3 is short.
Ay, mati na yung volleyball ba tinutukoy mo?
Yuri Masibak.
Look at that, pinagpag si Delfino, traveling.
Against Yuri Masibak.
And even Coach Zaldi knows it was a traveling violation. Kasi paatras si Delfino eh. Gusto niya sanang dire-diretsuhin to the basket. But he travels. June Arthur Roque, the mythical
former
5 member of the NCAA last year, now transferring to Colegio de San Juan de Letran and Pampanga Delta player.
He's a former player for the University of Perpetual.
Someone's down on the floor for APALIT. Is that Silvestre?
Yes, it's
He's
Christian
down.
Silvestre.
Oh. Arthur Roque nga pala, speaking of, he's from LUBAO. Pride of LUBAO din yun si Roque. That's why he's here. Medyo hiwalay sila ng upuan ni Encho. Baka nagtatrastukan yung taga-APALIT tsaka taga-LUBAO, di ba?
It's 32-27. Still a 5-point lead from Level Up LUBAO.
Chinir yung mapper.
As Mayor June Tetangco and Vice Mayor Peter Nucom of APALIT Pampanga. Tingnan mo gano'n seryoso. Ito na naman to. Ay na, nagkasalubong kami sa likod eh.
Di ba yung nakangiti pa si Mayor?
Nakangiti na sila.
And look at Delfino with his tongue out. This is Delfino's territory. Mga gantong klaseng laro. Pisikalan, asaran with the fans. This is where he lives to play his best. Take a look at this right here. He got clothesline and Delfino embellished the contact a little bit. He did embellish it a little bit, but may konting tulak naman talaga eh. Binenta lang ni Delfino yung contact.
59.9 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. Look at the crowd, Enzo.
Wala naman kasi timeout eh, humadil tong LUBAO. So pinituhan sila
naman
referee.
tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO.
Grabe, wala na namang upuan na bakante, di ba?
Kahit yung second floor natin.
Marami pa rin eh.
Franz de la Cruz against Yuri Masibak.
And a foul. Away from the ball again. It's on Montalvo. Nakahawak siya dito kay Carolino.
.6 seconds remaining. Coach Zaldi Messina of APALIT, I love it. Ayun talaga, may foul.
Oo, sabit. And look at Delfino. Smiling from ear to ear. I heard that. I saw what Delfino said.
Tama din ba ako nang iniisip?
Oh, bata. Grabe.
Kanya, batang-bata.
Alam mo nung tanda na ito ni Delfino.
Pagkaedad lang ata kami.
Oo. Pero siyempre, with the experience that he has, di ba? The IQ, again, one of the best young point guards in the nation right now. And yun nga lang, kailangan siya i-control ng referee. Pagsasabihan muna siya na huwag masyadong ganon, di ba? But that's Delfino's game. Diyan siya mas ginaganahan eh. May kaasaran siya, kaasaran niya yung fans, kalaban niya. This is where Delfino shines.
33-27. With 49.1 seconds remaining. 2 out of 2 for CJ Delfino.
First 2 points pa niya yan.
Nice steal coming from MJ De Leon. De Leon comes off the bench for Level Up LUBAO this time.
Oo. And first game to ni MJ De Leon in the playoffs kasi last 2 games na Level Up LUBAO hindi siya naglaro. Clear foul. May konting chippiness dito mga players ha. May konting pisikalan, konting tulakan, girian. The referees, ayun, pinagsasabihan ng mga referees sila eh.
Aga kasi nila nagbibigayan dito.
Launa pa lang sa ganyan nila.
JP maglalang on the free throw line. He misses the first. 0 out of 2. .9 seconds remaining. 34-27. 7-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. Maglalang. 1 out of 2. Baba sa 6 ang kalapangan ng Level Up Lubao. First timeout on the floor with 6-point lead for Level Up Lubao. Lendel Garcia with JP Maglalang and Kent Montalvo before that timeout. CJ Delfino together with Franz de la Cruz and the rest of the Level Up Lubao wanting to continue their victory dito. CJ Delfino, 14 points, 2 assists, 3 steals, and 2 blocks.
Grabe. Tasmanian Devil at his finest, plus hitting that game-winning layup para makaabante sila ng tie game tayo at 61 in the final 15 seconds of the game. He shows up big. Itong mythical 5-member of Sinag Liga Asia Board 2001 Cup. The best player of the game in the finals. The Pampanga Delta, Lubao's pride, Tasmanian Devil himself, CJ Delfino. Or more like, sige, sabihin na natin, Charles Jacob Delfino.
Yung ganda pala ng mga pangalan yan.
Di mo ma-realize na Charles Jacob pala siya, di ba? Some chippiness again there away from the ball. Manalang, itong si Justin Cruz.
There's a foul against him.
Yan yun yung sinasabi ni Lendel Garcia kay Justin Cruz. Huwag ka nang pumaul. Penalty na eh. It would mean free throws if you foul.
Mark Manalang. Already 10 points after that first free throw.
Mainit kamay ni Manalang ngayon. No?
Before maka 10 points siya, yung 9 points na yun, galing yun sa tatlo niyang back-to-back triple. 2 out of 2, it's out 11 points for Mark Manalang. 36-28, 8-point lead for Level Up Lubao. Yuri Masibak.
Again, look at that
Ken
leg.
Montalvo.
The height and length of APALIT, I love it, is posing problems for Level Up Lubao.
16 seconds left. The shot clock is now off. CJ Delfino against Yuri Masibak. Nakakuha pa ng foul dito. Ito si CJ Delfino.
A point guard who can post up. All-around game galing dito kay Delfino. Of course, his teammate Arthur Roque from Pampanga Delta also watching, and actually teammate na rin from Letran, di ba? Magkasama na sila sa Letran, although Roque will be serving a 1-year residency for the NCAA.
Yes. Balik kay Lendel Garcia ang bola with 11.2 seconds remaining. Garcia, back to Danting.
3 seconds.
Look at that D coming from Mark Manalang and CJ Delfino. Hindi nakaporma doon. Si Ice Danting.
Ice was there a foul? They say there was a foul whistled and titingnan nila kung umabot sa time. Sa ingay dito, hindi natin narinig yung pito.
37-30, a 7-point lead.
They're going to go to the IRS right now to check kung may oras pa ba sa pito and how much time will be given. Oh, no count. So the foul is neutralized dahil wala na daw oras.
That's why 7-point lead for Level Up Lubao. I see, look at that triple coming from Mark Manalang, one of his first triple, and look at that, Ice Danting coming from way downtown. Roar as one of the growing Tigers, and that Franz de la Cruz. Can you believe that a 19-year-old can knock a confident shot like that and coming that move from Isaac Danting? And look at the crowd of APALIT celebrating how beautiful that shot was. 37-30 at the end of the first half. Babalik po kami para dito sa laban ng APALIT, I love it, kontra Level Up Lubao para dito sa ating Delta Cup 2024.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
And you are still tuned at the Delta Cup 2024, and this is the battle between APALIT versus LUBAO Pampanga. And kasama ko nga ngayon ang dalawang outstanding player ng PGL or Pampanga Giant Lanterns at nagbibigay pride sa Pampanga. Now, let's start with Encho Serrano. Encho, how happy you are na before you were just like these guys way back, and you are now just watching and supporting your hometown APALIT Pampanga?
Siyempre, sobrang saya kasi noong 2017, hindi kami nag-champion, natalo kami sa championship. Kaya hindi ko nabigay yung champion sa APALIT. So ngayon, pinapakita ko yung suporta ko sa kanila na andito kami dalawa ni Balti, kahit mabalakat APALIT siya. Sabi ko, nag-uusap kami, sabi ko, suportahan natin yung APALIT kasi dito ako nagsimula sa Intertown sa APALIT bago ako mag-Manila. So malaking impact sa akin to, kaya nga sila sobrang swerte sila ngayon kasi nakatabla na yung gym natin ngayon, sobrang ganda. Tapos naka-aircon na, tapos may live pa. So yun, sobrang saya na makita ko sila. And syempre nagpapasalamat tayo kay Gob dahil sa ginawa niya sobrang napakagandang liga.
Thank you, Encho. Meron ka pang gustong batiin or pasalamatan?
Syempre binabati ko yung mga taga-APALIT and si Gob. Yun, salamat sa paliga mo, Gob. Sobrang ganda po ng paliga nyo.
Thank you, Encho. Now, dito naman tayo kay Balti. Being a professional player and part of the Gilas Pilipinas roster, what do you think of this league, Delta Cup 2024?
Yun nga, kasi dito sa liga na to, Intertown, di ako nakapaglaro dito So, high school and college na ako nag-Manila. So, sobrang swerte ng mga players ngayon dito sa liga na to na nakapaglaro sila. Yun.
Meron ka bang gustong batiin or pasalamatan?
Binabati ko nga pala yung mga taga-APALIT, sa mga sumusuporta sa mga player ngayon, and then sa mga taga-LUBAO na pumunta pa ngayon dito. Yun, and then yung family ko, si Risha, and yung anak ko si Zeus.
Thank you, Justin. Now, and once again, that is Justin Baltasar and Encho Serrano, Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Balik sa inyo, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. And thank you as well to Justin Baltazar and Encho Serrano, champions for Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
And De La Salle University, let's not forget, kasama sila doon.
They're both teammates. When way back dito sa ating halftime highlights of Level Up LUBAO, that jumper coming from Franz de la Cruz, and that triple coming from JD Harlego, and that triple coming from the Kenji Gonzalez, a hungry shot maker, Kenji Gonzalez. And this triple coming from Isaac Danting from way downtown. No hesitation itong batang ito. And here, Franz de la Cruz, 19-year-old waving from that jumper, and that move coming from Isaac Danting, an end-to-end scoring coming from Danting, and that reaction from the fans of APALIT, I love it. Our leading scorers of the halftime. Danting with 7, Kent Montalvo with 6, and JD Harlego with 5. At para sa panig ng Level Up Lubao, Friends de la Cruz with 14, Mark Manalang with 11, and CJ Delfino with 4. 37-30 in favor of Level Up Lubao at the end of the first half. So Enzo, tingnan natin dito kung paano ba ang magiging pag-keep up ng APALIT, I love it, sa nagiging play-making ng Level Up Lubao. But magbabalik po kami dito mga kabalen para sa laban ng Level Up Lubao kontra APALIT, I love it.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
A jam-packed crowd inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, just like their last game yesterday. APALIT, I love it. Kontra dun sa Fernandino, kakayabe ka. At ito na naman, nagdala na naman itong APALIT, I love it, ng biggest crowd nila dito sa ating Delta Cup 2024. Look at that. And here, Isaac Danting together with JP Maglalang, Kent Montalvo, Edmore Dizon, and Yuri Masibak para sa simula ng ating third quarter.
Siyempre, let's not forget din ang mga nanonood sa Pampanga PIO Live FB page, di ba? And also Sinag Liga TV. Kagaya ng first time ko lang siya shoutout. Carmelo Hayes, Anthony Galarosa, my own cat. Nanonood daw ngayon yung pusa ko. Naiintindihan kaya ako nun. Cutie naman na nanonood si Melo.
CJ Delfino.
Good pass. Sayang lang. Nabitaw ni Zita. And eto, this is a third quarter team. Itong APALIT, I love it. Look at that move!
More move coming from Yuri Masibak. And of course, you shout-out mo na din yung nanonood sa'yo way back. First, I would like to shout-out my dad supporting me, watching all the way from Laguna. And to my baby brother, kasi lagi niya nagtatawag siya sa akin. Natanong niya nasan daw ako.
Tito, yung anak niyo po, ang galing po mag-panel. Gusto nga lang po talagang bumalik ng courtside. Pinipilit ko magstay na siya dito sa panel.
5-point lead.
Huwag ka na bumalik doon.
For LUBAO Pampanga.
Delta Pampanga.
LUBAO Pampanga.
There you go.
Isaac Danting from the triple. So good. Almost a rebound from Kent Montalvo, but he wasn't able to keep it on his hand.
Yun yung nawawala dito para sa APALIT, I love it. They're normally dominating the rebound department. Pero wala ngayon, di ba? Wala ngayon yung rebounding nila. It's normally, they're dominating. Just like that on Zita. Yun nga lang, pushing foul on John Zita.
Of course, we would like to acknowledge the support of Mayor Esme Pineda for Level Up Lubao on the start of the elimination. But of course, luckily, she wasn't able to be here today sa laban ng Level Up Lubao. But then, pinaparating niya din ang mainit niyang pagsuporta para sa team ng Level Up Lubao. And of course, the Vice Mayor, J. Montemayor, and the 47 Barangay Captains of LUBAO Pampanga ay nandito na naman.
Yun yung record 47 Naantay ko lang may makabit nun
And of course, we'd like to acknowledge also the presence of our SLA chairman for our Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Rocky Chan, and together with our tournament commissioner para dito sa ating Delta Cup and stands as the COO for Sinag Liga Asia, Coach Leo Isaac, the legend himself.
And let's not forget also, safe travels and ingat sa US to our President CEO, Boss Ray Alaw, and our Commissioner, Comrod Di Santos, and of course, Boss Mark Arago and Sister Loida Siscar, and our Head of Production.
There's no more Santiago, and of course, the very supportive Mommy Yel Alaw, and of course, Ma'am Jan Chan.
Yes.
John Zita on the inbound. 5-point lead for Level Up Lubao. 8 minutes and 9 seconds remaining for our third quarter.
Shutdown na shutdown si Delfino dito sa laro natin, ha?
Yuri Masibak. Yuri against Mark Manalang with that one-hand jumper.
Kanina ba na ginagawa yun? That time, short lang. Halos nakahiga na siya dun sa jumper niya. Sa one-handed shot niya na yun,
7 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Still a 5-point lead for Level Up Lubao. Franz de la Cruz against Isaac Danting.
Good screen by Zita.
And look at that. At 19 years old is waving.
Grabe yung screen ni Zita nun. Buradong-burado dun si Ice Danting.
Nakalibre doon. Itong si
Oo.
France de la Cruz.
That's how you know the screen works so well kapag nalibre mo yung may hawak ng bola.
Edmar Dizon, back to Yuri Masibak. He's asking for a screen. Isaac Danting once again against dito. The 19 years old na si France de la Cruz.
Good defense by Manalang.
Naagawan din si Danting.
Nagulat si Ice na nandun pala si Manalang pag-ikot niya.
And look at the frustration on Ice's face.
And look at that, fighting off the screen.
39-32. 7-point lead for Level Up Lubao.
Pito pa rin yung kalamangan dito na Level Up Lubao. And one thing nga, para dito sa APALIT, I love it. Yung offensive sets nila nababasa ng Lubao. But dito for Lubao, Level Up Lubao, on their offensive end, they're going to the talent. Going to the talents and skills of their players. To France, Mark Manalang, and also CJ Delfinos. Manalang, kasabi ko lang.
Mark Manalang scored already 11 points at the end of the first half. As here, Danting against De La Cruz. Back to JP Maglalang.
Again, a steal.
From the Tasmanian Devil against Duke.
Sabit. And look at him talking to the bench dito ng APALIT. CJ, that's CJ's game. He lives for these moments.
10-point lead for Level Up Lubao. So, nakausap itong si CJ. Of course, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda at kakamano lang dito ng one of the pride ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
The Hurt.
Kurt Rayson.
The adopted son of Pampanga kasi taga Davao yun. Pero yun, pasapit yung Pinoy step na yun ni Delfino, sumabit at tumalon itong si Montalvo. And Kent has been doing a good job to neutralize Delfino in mid-air. Pero that time, napakagat siya dun sa Pinoy step fake ni Delfino.
Look at CJ. Kita mo yun? Sa ating goal cam. Nakita kung gaano kaganda yung stroke ng shot ni CJ coming from the free throw line.
Malinis, di ba? Kung pwede lang hindi gumalaw yung net, di gagalaw yung net eh. Look at Montalvo right here. Speaking of which nga pala, kanina na kita ko sa labas. And he had a lot of compliments for you as an anchor kasi ngayon ka lang yan narinig. Andito rin pala, let's not forget, the owner of Video Gear Incorporated, Tito Fernando Obrero, andito.
Ay, nandyan.
Ang
Ay,
dami
hindi kasi
niya.
pala ako lumabas ng
He
halftime.
said a lot of compliments towards you. Huwag kang mag-alala. A lot of nice things to say about you. Tuwan-tuwa nga siya na nagpapanel ka na eh. Kay Tito Fernan. Tito Fernan, hi po.
Hello, Tito Fernan. 43-33, a 10-point lead for Level Up Lubao. 6 minutes and 11 seconds remaining para ito sa ating third period. The lead is now cut to 9. After that shot coming from Kent Montalvo. Another missed possession. Level Up Lubao.
Ngayon nababasa na netong APALIT I Love It yung gustong gawin ng Lubao. All they have to do is convert on their end.
Lendel Garcia.
Look at Silvestre battling down low dito against John Zita.
Danting. Almost
Good
a
D.
miss. Good. Tingnan mo bumabantay kay Danting, CJ.
Naka-matchup zone kasi itong Level Up Lubao and Danting was trying to find the mismatch. Christian Silvestre was being defended by a smaller John Zita. Hindi naman hinahayaan ni John Zita matanggap ni Silvestre yung bola. That's why he got called for a foul.
Look at that. Danting on the inbound to Lendel Garcia. Back to Yuri Masibak.
Good
Great
steal.
D coming from the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino.
And he was...
After that steal, he goes straight to the basket.
Grabe. Nakadila pa pagkalipad niya. Look at this steal by the Tasmanian Devil. Welcome to my TikTok, sabi ni CJ Delfino after that layup. And now, balik sa 11 ang kanilang kalamangan, 45-34.
Kabaleen fans, dahil semifinals na, abangan, ito po ang inyong Delta Cup Kiss Cam! Ang mag-asawa ni Biro, huwag pong maya. You're on camera, isang kiss sa lips ball, ma'am and sir. Para masaya ka, di ba, Kabaleen, huwag pong maya. Yan po ang Delta Cup Kiss Cam. Don't worry, isang kiss na naman dyan. Come on! Huwag pong maya. Mukhang mahihayin si Mr. and Mrs. ha. Okay na ba? Another opportunity. You may now kiss your wife and husband or boyfriend. Huwag pong maya. Ay, mukhang mahihayin din si Madam. Ito. One more opportunity to kiss. Come on. Don't. Baka di magkakilala. Isa pa direct. Ayan. Kiss ka. Huwag pong maya. Mama, sir. Huwag pong maya. Mukhang nagkakahiya ng ating mga kiss. Ayan, yan. Kiss ka po. One more time. Yon, camera. Show us your one kiss to the lips. Come on. Isang kiss naman dyan, sir, ma'am. Mukhang mahihayin si Madam at si sir. Pero marami pa yan. Well, more kiss cams to come. Abangan niyo po.
Napaka-tamis ngayon sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Ayaw magsalita ni Enzo, na iinggit.
Hindi ako naiinggit. Meron dati kasi tinutukan sa kiss cam na medyo nainis ako. Never mind, ayaw na balikan yun. Pero ito, one thing for APALIT, I love it. They're struggling with this defense by LUBAO. This matchup zone na ginagawa na level up LUBAO is really causing problems. Just like that, hirap si Montalvo matake. Purpose of the matchup zone Magsasona kayo, tas when a specific player holds the basketball, biglang magpapalit yung depensa nyo. That's the beauty of the matchup zone. But then again, pag ganun ang depensa mo, kailangan disiplinado yung mga players mo on the floor. And also, alam nila, mataas dapat IQ nila, alam nila ano yung game plan. They should remember, pag ito yung player may hawak, anong gagawin natin? Do we hedge hard? Do we weaken him on the floor? Do we go drop coverage? Ang daming kailangan tandaan kapag naka-matchup zone. Coach James De La Peña knows that his players naka-focus yan. Naka-focus yan dito sa laro at alam nila ano yung mga assignments nila. Kaya, kampante siya na mag-matchup zone dito for the defensive end.
Scores going back to the last 5 minutes of our third period. 45 to 34. 3 points from Kenji De La Cruz. Gonzalez, rather.
Yan si Franz De La Cruz na yun.
Ayun si Franz De La Cruz.
Magkamukha kasi talaga, magka-jersey number, separated by 1 lang. Look at Franz. Create a shot for Kenji.
3 consecutive miss for Kenji Gonzalez. Garcia against Delfino this time.
Good tap by Sinke.
Look at that defense coming from level up LUBAO. Ting was there against Kenji Gonzalez.
Buelo.
Niluwa lang. But look at that drive coming from Danting.
Nang hinayang siya, but look at how far away this is. Bam, bam, boom, sabi ni Delfino.
48 to 34 after the 3-point shot coming from CJ Delfino. And look at CJ's celebration.
Oh.
He celebrates every possession. He celebrates every scores. Look at that
Layo.
triple coming from the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino. Parang malaki ang pangako neto si CJ kay Mayor Esme Pineda
Sure yan. And syempre, his coach sa Pampanga Delta, Coach Pedic and Gulf Delta are here watching. 1 week away from the opening, he's showing out. Also for the Sinag fans, na be ready for the Tasmanian Devil show again. Look at that, Franz De La Cruz. Now this is a kid I cannot wait to see if he's in a Sinag lineup, di ba?
But he also was already on the Pampanga lineup with the Pampanga Giant Lanterns yung
Sa
junior season nila.
in a different league, di ba?
Yeah.
But I cannot wait, di ba? If he plays for a 19 under team, di ba? Or even sa 23 under natin, malay natin, he might make the lineup kasi may mga young players silang pinapasok doon. I remember the 6'7" behemoth Christian Vergara sinama doon sa National Championship lineup. Andre Dungo was also part of that lineup, di ba? Hindi natin alam. That's the exciting part, di ba?
Harlego.
Good pass.
Pass. Defense Montalvo. It's Khalid Macapagal rather. Magkasing tangkad kasi.
Eh, yun talaga magkamukha. Tattoo lang yung kulang.
Tattoo yung difference nilang
Tattoo
dalawa.
lang eh.
And their moves was not very different from each other.
Yes. Tattoo nga lang yung pinagkaiba. Tsaka kaliwete itong siya. Oh, a dribbling infraction from CJ. Ice got him that time.
You know, that violation reminds me of Enzo Serrano. During one of their championship games, I watched it. And Enzo was on that very important possession.
Enzo, binabalikan pa.
Hindi, that call was very much familiar.
Tingnan mo naman yung bawi ni Delfino. Nagkamali siya sa opensa. Hiigpitan niya depensa niya, di ba? And look at Manalang. Whip it away from the taller Montalvo. Pero counter steal by Lendl.
Harlego,
Clear foul.
alam niya na yun. And he
Oo.
admits.
Or and I quote our Mr. Sinag himself, our President CEO, Boss Ray Alaw. Foul talaga.
Hindi ko pa tuloy nakaka-partner si Boss Ray dito sa panel.
Tay ka. Malapit na. Ang pangarapin mo, makapartner mo si Coach Leo, marami kang matututunan sa kanya. I promise
I
you
can't
that.
wait for a 3-man panel.
One step at a time. Ka ba? One step at a time.
Hindi, syempre ikaw on the other side, tas Boss Ray on the other side, para may...
Namili ka pa talaga ng partner mo, ha?
No, whoever would be one of the other analysts, of course, andyan ka din to
Actually,
guide me.
masaya yun. Masaya
as well,
yun.
diba? Syempre, hindi pa naman ako
Kaya
on
mo na
that
yan.
side.
Kaya mo. Pag dumating ka sa part ng 3-man, hindi mo na kailangan yung guidance ko. That's all I can say. Kasi pag binigyan ka ng 3-man panel, it means kampante na sa'yo yung director mo eh. Eh, kita mo naman yung tiwala sa'yo eh.
Matagal-tagal pa yun.
Hindi naman. Yes. Siyempre, again, I was happy to see one more time Tito Fernando Obrero, the owner of Video Gear Incorporated, diba? Tito Fernand's here, had a lot of good things to say sa'yo. Eh, proud na proud nga daw si Tito Fernand sa'yo eh.
Hindi ko pa nga siya nakikita. Hindi ako lumabas ng halftime, but Tito Fernand, see you later. Antay mo ako dyan sa OB van.
Talaga inutusan pa.
No, it's not utos. It's just ice cream naman po, Tito Fernand. After po ng game na to.
Babawiin na niya yung mga compliments niya sa'yo. Inano mo na ice cream. Pero one thing, the word ice. They're trying to ice itong si Delfino. Talking about APALIT, I love it. Using itong si Montalvo as bait. Babandayan si Danting. Pag nakalagpas na si Delfino, they're going to ice him on the baseline or the sideline. Hindi nila hayaan si Delfino na makatake tuloy-tuloy. But Franz de la Cruz and Mark Manalang, mainit. So you're icing someone, pero may ibang mga players for LUBAO nagsi-step up. So yun nga lang yung medyo butas or loophole sa depensa ngayong araw na APALIT.
But you know, one thing great about Level Up LUBAO, speaking of ice, they were icing the Ice Danting.
Oo.
Hindi makaporma dito si Isaac Danting eh.
Tingnan mo, napakalayo niyan.
What a shot coming from Mark Manalang, makes it his 5th triple of the ball game.
Grabe naman itong si Wardell Manalang. Hindi Wardell pangalan niya, Wardell Stephen Curry kasi yung itsura niya ngayon sa
Nakamot
shooting.
ako ng ulo. Look at that.
Yun na lang talaga magagawa mo.
He just steps back from Lendl Garcia's defense and bumanda pa yun dun sa board bago dumiretso sa rim.
Sabi mo, napakamot ka ng ulo. Coach Zaldi Messina din, napakamot ng ulo. They played that pick and roll perfectly. They were trying to hedge kasi akala nila atake si Manalang, biglang pumukol ng ganun. You played defense so perfect pero yung offense is much better, di ba? At that point, kakamot ka na ng ulo, tapos shake mo na rin yung hand ng tumira. Ang ganda ng tira na yun eh.
The taste of Coach Zaldi's own medicine.
Oo.
This is, of course, a marquee matchup. You know,
Look at that.
very equal.
They're reminding ito si Alan Danan of the same thing they reminded of him yesterday. Tendency kasi ni Alan Danan, pag akuha niya ng rebound, aakapin niya. Meaning, binababa niya yung bola to his stomach level, natatapik tuloy, naaagawan siya ng ganun, nafa-force ng jump ball. Sinasabi niya, taas mo na, you're the tallest man on the floor, di ba?
Oh! It goes almost in and out, but it straight goes in for Lendl Garcia.
Humihingi pa siya ng foul, ha?
43-42 with 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining for our third period. Nabuhay na naman ang crowd ng APALIT. Just an 11-point lead for Level Up Lubao. Mark Manalo once again.
Good no call. Good no call.
Harlego against Delfino.
Look at that challenge by Delfino.
San Lorico's working with Delfino. 3-point shot. Too strong.
Look at Danan. Out of nowhere. But what a block there by Montalvo. And they throw it away nga lang.
Lendo's pass was
Sayang.
too strong that time.
CJ pointing to his head sa mga teammates niya.
Coach
Gamitin
Zaldi
utak.
Messina.
Kilala mo na si Zaldi Ferrer?
Diyan, isang cameraman natin.
Mamaya makikilala mo yun. Sabihin nun, ba't di mo ako kilala?
Ganda nga ng bago niyang gupit eh.
Kilala niya.
Bawi.
There you go. Oh!
Mark
What an
Manala.
up and under!
Kung hindi siya gagana sa 3-point shot, I will drive. That is what Mark Manalang stated on that drive. There's back-to-back. We have a back-to-back full capacity inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Grabe.
Wala pa, hindi pa nakalipas ang 24 oras. We still have the same capacity here inside the BREN. As that is counted for Yuri Masibak. 55-44. Take a look back here. Yuri Masibak throws it during the 0.6 seconds of the ball game. Sa kanilang shot clock.
Swak na
makes
swak
it
eh.
55-44 at the end of the first half. At the end of the fourth quarter, rather, in our fourth and final quarter of the ball game. Third quarter highlights coming from Yuri Masibak. Look at that, Franz de la Cruz. What a shot coming from the 19-year-old. And look at that pass coming from Khalid Macapagal to Lendel Garcia. Almost an in and out, but it goes straight in. And that 3-point shot coming from the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino himself, and blows a kiss through the bench of Level Up Lubao. At the end of the third quarter, 55-44, an 11-point lead as we enter the fourth and final quarter of this ball game. SLA goes to Visayas for Born 2004 and Born 2007. This April 2024, for interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag-sport@gmail.com or send a message at 0917-855-5565 to Mr. Paul Joven, our Deputy Commissioner for Sinag Liga Asha Visayas. This April 2024, Sinag Liga Asha will go to Visayas as inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center is a full capacity, a back-to-back full capacity inside the BREN GUIAO.
Pwede mo pa nga sabihing overload eh. hindi lang full capacity sa dami ng tao dito eh. There's a miss there for Delfino.
Of course, an 11-point lead as we enter the fourth and final quarter of this ball game.
Yes, and right here for APALIT, I love it. They need to start this rally back. Dahil nga, 9-point lead, hindi nila maputol yung barrier dito.
And look at that! Baba sa walo. Sa siyam rather, ang kalamangan ng Level Up Lubao. Buhay na naman ang crowd ng APALIT.
Hear them chant defense.
John Zita.
Good D. Yun lang.
Oh, San Lorico coming from the right wing. And tingnan mo, sa menyes pa siya doon dito sa crowd ng APALIT na wag daw maingay. Let's take a look back. That
Silencer.
3-point shot coming from Sean Lorico, the hustle rising sun heart is coming out of this guy's son. JD Harlego. Back to Kent Montalvo. With that one-hand shot. Too strong.
Ayaw pa rin talaga for Montalvo.
CJ Delfino. 58-46. Balik sa 12 ang Kalamangan.
Grabe naman yan. Lahat ng ibato ng level of Lubao is going in.
Grabe din yung bata ngayon na si Franz de la Cruz. And
Look at that switching defense.
Edmar Dizon to JD Harlego.
Counter.
Baba ulit sa siyam ang Kalamangan ng level up Lubao. There was a foul against San Lorico. Dito ni Kent Montalvo. Take a look. Franz de la Cruz with the basketball. Look at that.
Binigyan ng balikat ni Montalvo eh.
Huwag naman kasi yung tangkad ni Kent Montalvo kay San Lorico. But look at this guy. Stands now for the sideline inbound. He will be guarded now by Edmar Dizon. Balik ang bola kay Franz de la Cruz. Franz de la Cruz against Kent Montalvo. Montalvo to Zita. John Zita, look at that in front of the Growling Tigers.
Harlego looks hurt. Harlego looks hurt. Great sportsmanship right here from level up Lubao. Tinitingnan din nila itong si Harlego. JD is grimacing in pain right now.
And of course, Enzo, we would like to greet everyone watching through our Facebook at Pampanga PIO. 6.2K viewers on our Facebook para dito sa ating APALIT I Love It kontra Level Up Lubao. Kaya naman gusto nga ulit nating batiin dito the owner of Video Gear, Tito Fernando Obrero. Baka naman daw po magpa-ice cream po kayo. Sobrang bait talaga niya ni Tito Fernando eh.
Nambobola pa. Pero mabait naman talaga yan si Tito Fernand. Love natin yan eh.
Sobra. Kaya nga tingnan mo may magpapa-ice cream yan.
Let's look at that Harlego being carried.
Jumper coming from San Lorico. Back-to-back points coming from Lorico. Bizon. Pinasa kay Yuri Masibak. Isaac Danting. Short now for Danting. But there was Yuri Masibak coming from nowhere. Kita mo yung sipag na yun ni Yuri Masibak after that missed triple coming from Ice Danting. Ito, balik ang bola kay Masibak. Danting. Against Pangan. Balik kay Khalid makapagal ang bola. Balik kay Dizon. Look at that thing. He's everywhere.
And that thing's frustrated. He can't get his offense going.
As I mentioned earlier, tingnan mo, itong si Ice Danting. Sobrang nakafocus sa kanya yung depensa nitong level up Lubao. Because if you won't stop Ice Danting, Ice will be Ice.
As Delfino fires, tabingin nga lang for the Tasmanian Devil. Eto, Danting na naman, may buwelo. Grabe. Instant buckets galing dito kay Ice Danting. That's what he has to do, get in transition. Diyan siya nakilala. That's where he thrives the most, in open court situations. Ice Danting, no problem, cause a foul.
Look at that reaction coming from Ice, you know?
Wala nga eh.
sobrang ano nga.
Kalmado pa rin eh.
Sobrang kalmado kasi nga sobrang dismayado niya na sa naging laro niya dito sa ating semifinals. That is not the usual numbers for Ice. 62-52, babasag 10 ang Kalamangan ng level up Lubao with 6 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. First look at San Lorico. Oh, look at that.
Too fancy.
Almost a no-look pass.
Too fancy that time for Lorico.
Eh, bantay sarado siya dun eh. Balik ang bola sa APALIT. This is their chance para mapababa sa 8 o 7 ang kalamangan. Back to Edmar Dizon. What will he do here?
Good D again. Pero Danting's just faster to the
Ice can
ball.
go in for a quick 2. But he was able to draw a foul against the unstoppable Mark Manalang. Take a look at what happened. Ice was going for a drive. (62-52), still in favor of Level Up Lubao. Look at that fancy move coming from Yuri Masibak. But there was Montalvo for the putback.
Nakatayo lang si Montalvo dun eh. Grabe.
You know, Enzo, in the span of just 2 minutes, our viewers grow for our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO now to 7K from 6.2. 6,200. It's now 7,000 viewers.
800 viewers na dagdag, di ba? A one-handed shot by Delfino.
Now 7.1K.
7 point.
Grabe. 64-54.
Medyo nagmamadali ang APALIT. And that's where they're prone to turnovers. And look at Delfino. Wisely just trying to milk some seconds off the clock.
Here's CJ Delfino against Yuri Masibak. Delfino, now again Ken Montalvo.
Good pass.
You saw John Zeta. What a selfless move coming from Delfino. Zeta with a jumper. Off to the left. Rebound by Dizon. Look at the guy who rebounds. It's Dizon. Yuri Masibak. Scramble in there. Ken Montalvo. Look at that beautiful drive coming from Montalvo. Now the lead is cut down to 8. 64-56. Look at that drive.
Talo, dadakdak
That
eh.
pass coming from Yuri Masibak. And look at that long hands of Kent Montalvo. Right into the rim of this ballgame. Makes this 8-point lead for Level Up Lubao. 64-56.
Break muna sandali sa mating aksyon. Pangalawang set na ito ng ating Delta Cup Kiss Cam. Smile you on camera. Huwag pong mahiyang halikan ang inyong loved one. Isang kiss naman po sa lips yan, mga sirs, ma'am. Huwag pong mahiya. Kasama ang inyong anak. Huwag di tayo narinig. Ayan, sir, ma'am. Yun, kiss cam. Yes. Yun. Huwag niyo mo kalimutan halikan. Yan, o. Yun. You got it. 1 point. Mas maganda sana kung sa lips eh. Pero okay na rin yun. Let's see yan. Oh, isa pa na. Ayan o. 2 points! Yan ay 2 points. Maraming
Daig
salamat.
pa nun yung naka 3 points ah. And of course, going back to our 4th and final quarter of this ball game with 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. 64-56, an 8-point lead for Level Up Lubao.
So sa mga nanonood sa Pampanga PIO FB page, ayain nyo yung crush nyo dito, mano. Tapos tututukan namin kayo ng kiss cam.
Tapos lapit muna kayo, lapit kayo sa amin dito, tapos sabihin nyo sa kayo nakaupo.
Chance nyo na. Yun na lang masasabi ko. Good defense by Masibak. Yun nga lang, he threw it away.
CJ Delfino was there. Hey, Franz de la Cruz.
Wild sequences on both sides. But APALIT, look at that. Look at the crowd.
Look at that kid. Alam mo, maya-maya pag nakashoot ng 3 points tong APALIT or may magandang drive tong si Kent Montalvo, yung buong yan.
Tatalong lahat yan.
Tatayo. Tapos yung mga balloons nila.
Oo. Yung ngayon na, yung doon ako naastigan sa balloons eh.
Sabay-sabay pa yung ganun.
Oo.
Here, Isaac Benting. Nice pa, oh. Pero dumulas lang sa kamay ni Lendel Garcia.
Look at that. Both of them frustrated. Golden chance to sana to cut the lead further down.
Franz de la Cruz. Parang hindi pa nagpapahinga to, ah. Franz will drive. Nice rejection.
Are they gonna challenge it? Coach James, is he gonna challenge this? No, sabi niya wag daw.
Balik dito ang bola kay Ice. Ice to Garcia. Back to Ken Montalvo for 3.
Makapagal. Just really try to keep that ball alive kaso nawalan lang siya ng spasyo dun sa ilalim. They're fighting itong APALIT. I love it. They just can't capitalize on some of these moments. Ganda na ng depensa nila eh. Hindi lang sila makascore talaga.
Franz de la Cruz. CJ Delfino. He misses that time. Ice Danting on the
May
rebound.
buwelo na naman. Look at that.
Alam mo na, pag bumuelo yan si Ice, dediretso talaga yan. And look at that, he's feeling cramped.
An ambidextrous finisher to si Ice Danting. Can finish with his right and can finish with his left. That's why sa mga batang nanonood, it's important to work on your offhand din. If you're a right-handed player, work on your left hand. If you're a left-handed player, work on your right hand. Because guys like Danting, an open court finisher, ambidextrous finisher, hard to stop ito si Danting. Di mo pwedeng sabihin, take away his left hand and you'll stop him. Kaya din niyang mag-finish with his right hand.
That's how great, of course, we can see here. Mayor Jun Tetanco of APALIT, Pampanga. Nakatayo na siya doon, kasama yung crowd ng APALIT. Kanina, nakaupo pa yan si Mayor. That first throw is good for Ice. 64-57.
Unti-unti ng APALIT. I love itong kalamangan ng LUBAO.
We still have 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 2 out of 2 for Ice Danting. 64-58. The lead is now cut to 6. Franz de la Cruz against Isaac Danting, the matchup that we have been waiting. Franz against Danting once again, one-hand shot. Ice, Lendel Garcia on the rebound. Yuri Masipak was asking for it.
Sobra lang yung layup ni Makapagal. That could have been a ticket to cut the lead further down to 4. Sayang nga lang,
Kung
hindi nila
pumasok
na-finish.
yun.
Oo.
Nakikita mo itong APALIT na crowd, nagtayuan na.
Makikita ko na naman yung nakikita kong picture ng ulo kung sino man.
Hindi ko alam sino, ang layo kasi hindi ko makita eh.
Hindi wala yung ulo ba ng player yun?
Ayun, pag tumayo yun natin, tatapatan yun ng mga cameraman natin, makikita
Binanggit
natin.
natin, di ba? Pero hindi ko na nawala na nga, hindi ko na alam kung saan nakaupo yun.
Kenji Gonzalez.
Oh, good crossover by Kenji.
Short. Ice was there.
Ito na naman siya.
He passes it to Garcia with that one-hand floater. And there you have it. The crowd of APALIT Pampanga was there. The lead is now cut to 4. CJ Delfino.
Wow! Traveling nga lang.
Traveling lang yun. Para kay CJ Delfino. And look at the crowd once again of APALIT Pampanga. Buhay na sila dito, Enzo.
Kita na naman yung may ulo.
Look at Mayor Jun Tetanco and Vice Mayor Peter Nucom.
They're saying one more basket.
Let's take a look. Isaac Danting. Back to Danting. Balik ang bola kay Khaled Makapagal. Balik kay
Good kick
Lendel
out.
Garcia. Lendel with a shot. Misses. Rebound. Kay Kenji Gonzalez. Mark Manalang. Mark against Danting.
Oh, tumira agad.
Misses. Danting on the rebound. Danting for 3.
Look at Montalvo.
was there. And look at that. The crowd of APALIT Pampanga goes wild There was that putback coming from Kent Montalvo.
It's Medlem here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention
So take a
Center.
look that miss coming from Danting, but Montalvo was there, and that putback, easy putback for Kent Montalvo. The lead is now cut down to 2. As we can see here, Mayor Jun Tatanco and Vice Mayor Peter Nucom, sabi niya yung kanina, just one more basket. And there you have it. Kent Montalvo produces it for APALIT. I love it. As 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter of this ballgame, 64-62.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia.
Look at that. Look at how full we are inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Full capacity. Kagabi ganito din yung ating venue. As you take a look at that, the balloons, the tarpaulins that this APALIT team has. And of course, Coach Pedic Di Matulak together with the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, Enzo Serrano, Justin Baltazar, Kurt Rayson, together with Daniel Padilla, the son of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. (64-62). Is this another missed possession for Level Up LUBAO?
Muntik pa. Muntikan na yun.
Look at that strong defense. This is just 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Nakatayo na lahat dito. Coming from APALIT Pampanga.
Good spin.
CJ Delfino!
Grabe!
All the way from LUBAO, Pampanga! In front of his head coach, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Clinch once again.
And that made some of the pro players dito smile as Delfino once again delivering the biggest shot for LUBAO.
Ganyan-ganyan din yung mga last shot ni CJ kahapon.
Look at that. Promeno P.
Look at this crowd coming from APALIT. Look at how happy they are inside the BREN GUIAO Convention
Look at Enzo
Center.
Balti. And look at Governor Dennis Delta
He's
Pineda. All smiles.
Capturing the moment.
All smiles. Itong si Gov Delta.
And look at Enzo and Balti.
Ako ulit ni Enzo at ni Balti.
Nakikipagkulitan sila. Look at that, guys. Of course, they're cheering up etong mga bata. Sabi nga kanina ni Balti at saka ni Enzo na sobrang swerte daw. Itong mga batang to kasi noong mga panahon nila na sila yung nagsisimula ng career nila sa basketball.
Enzo did not have a live coverage. Hindi pa gandang BREN
Hindi daw.
GUIAO. Walang aircon.
Sabi nga niya, tabla na daw, naka-aircon pa, naka-live pa itong
Kay
mga batang
Balti
to
naman,
ngayon.
hindi siya nakalaro dito kasi nga immediately was already inserted to LaSalle's lineup.
A sideline inbound for Isaac Danting. The Pampanga Giant Lanterns champions was standing para suportahan itong APALIT. Justin Baltazar and Enzo Serrano was there to support. There's a foul against Mark Manalang for Isaac Danting. 1 minute and 1 second remaining. Tignan natin kung gagamitin na ba dito.
Oh, clear foul right there by Manalang.
He holds Isaac Danting's right wrist.
And dito masusubukan si Danting sa free throw line.
With that, let's take a look on how well Danting clinches this one. Look at that, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda capturing this happy moment inside the full capacity BREN GUIAO Convention Center. 2 free throw shots coming from Isaac Danting. And there you have it. Isaac Danting clinches the first free throw para dito sa APALIT Pampanga.
Tatlo na lang yung lamang.
1 out of 2 now for Isaac Danting. And there you have it. 2 out of 2. for the rolling tiger himself, Ice Danting. Baba sa dalawang kalamangan ng Level Up Lubao.
Lorico's back on the floor. Situational substitution for Coach James De La Peña.
Look at how happy Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Coach Pedic Di Matulak was on that.
Chance of defense for the APALIT crowd.
San Lorico. Lorico against Montalvo. Lorico with a jumper. In and out.
Golden ticket for APALIT right now.
This is their time. This is their chance to tie this ball game. Kent Montalvo.
Clear foul.
Penalty na dito. Ang Level Up Lubao.
Fourth personal foul on Manalang.
Look at that. Look at
Grabe.
Balti and Edja. 64 to 66.
What a game dito we have. But it's all about the free throws right now.
Enzo, in the span of a few minutes, 10.6K viewers now. It grows from 7.1K. It grows into 3,500 plus. Kent Montalvo.
And this is a tie. To tie the game right now.
This shot to tie this ball game.
Oh, a miss! And there's a foul on Yuri Masibak. Nabangga niya ito si Franz de la Cruz.
But luckily, hindi pa penalty. Itong APALIT.
Yes. They need one more stop right now.
We have 32 seconds remaining. Enzo from 10.6K. It now grows to 10.8K. At hindi mo pa mabilang itong mga tao dito inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. They say that the 2,000 full capacity. Pero may mga nakatayo na kasi.
All important possession for both teams. For LUBAO, for more breathing room. For APALIT, they need a stop.
Look at that. Franz de la Cruz. Eman, John Zita rather. Back to Franz de la Cruz. 3 seconds. 8 seconds. Backcourt violation for Franz de la Cruz. 22.6 seconds remaining. There will be no shot clock for APALIT. I love it for this possession.
Depends on where they inbound. If they inbound full court, wala na shot clock. If they inbound here on the sidelines, meron sila 14 seconds.
But this will
It's
be
up
an
to coach.
important possession.
It's up to Coach Zaldi right now. And look at the crowd.
And look at Enzo and Balti on their LED screen.
Yung LED natin, oh, kalahati lang ni Balti.
Hindi na nakatayo pa yun, ha? Look at here, it's now 11.1K viewers on our Facebook page at Pampanga PIO.
And look at that, Jeff Viernes is also here enjoying the game. A regional basketball pro legend himself, Jeff Viernes.
22.6 seconds remaining. With 11.1K viewers on our Facebook page and a full capacity inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Ito daw, they decide to inbound on the sideline. So that's why my 14-second shot clock sila dito.
Now, once again, our Facebook viewers grow. 11.3 now.
All important inbound para dito sa APALIT.
Ice Danting. Danting on the sideline inbound. Wala kay Danting ang bola.
Ice. Oh! Big turnover.
Nag-cramps doon itong si Ice Danting.
They have to foul. They have to foul.
Iningatan na dito ni CJ Delfino. And look at Ice Danting was there. He can't even stand up. .9 seconds remaining. And look at Ice on that end of the court. At
Yes.
nila pa ganun ng stretcher dito si Ice
Oh,
Danting.
hindi siya makatayo. He's both legs of His both legs are cramping up. That's why he threw a wild pass there. And Zita read it perfectly.
No, he was standing and now running.
Oh, ngayon.
Going back to the bench
Okay na
of
siya.
APALIT. Look at Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. 5.9 seconds remaining para dito sa ating second game ng ating semifinals. 66-65. Just a 1-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. After this timeout, this will be a very important possession.
No timeouts left for either team. So if you're APALIT, I love it. You must get you must get a foul. And pray that you have enough seconds to run the ball down and get a quality look here. May 2 free throws pa dito. Ang Level Up LUBAO. Or no, sorry, sideline inbound.
Hindi pa
14 pa.
penalty
Oo.
ang APALIT.
Next foul nila will put them over the line. They need to get a steal. No timeouts for either team. There's the quick foul. Quick foul by Lendel Garcia, and it will put Delfino to the line. And what's the situation right here? 2 free throws mabibigay kay Delfino at the same time. If he knocks down both, 3-point lead lang ito. With 4.9 seconds, doable pa to for APALIT to tie the game.
Let's see if CJ will knock this free throw line. As we can see, Ice Danting on the bench right now.
Yun lang. He
Rare
misses the
miss.
first one.
Rare miss for CJ Delfino.
And the second one is important kasi alamin na APALIT, do they go for the tie or for the win? But APALIT has no more timeouts left in. So they have to run it all the way to the front court.
Everyone is standing. This is a very important possession and throw for CJ Delfino.
2-point lead, no timeouts.
Kent Montalvo! He can tie this
Oh!
ball game.
Wow!
What a block coming from Mark John Zita.
Wow! Zita with the rejection. Access denied.
It's rare to reject itong si Kent Montalvo.
Grabe. I thought Montalvo had the layup there.
There will be a review.
Oo. To see kung sino tumama last. But John Zita might have just saved the day para dito sa Level Up LUBAO.
This will be a very important possession if this goes back to APALIT.
What a block for Zita. Saving his best block for last. A la LeBron James in 2016 against Golden State. Zita just stuffed that shot on the board. So referee's looking at the IRS to check kaninong possession, and they say APALIT basketball. So may 1.2 pa ang APALIT to go for the tie or for the win for 3. Let's take a look at this stop by John Zita right here. Manalang delayed Montalvo for a second, and Zita just catching him up top.
Last touch nga to.
Oo.
John Zita.
And Zita thought there was a foul.
Ice
Alin na foul
Danting
dito.
checks in for APALIT for the last 1 minute and 1.2 seconds rather.
For APALIT, do they go for the tie or for the win?
They can go here for a risky 3 or they can go here for a quick 2 para sigurado yung last 5 minutes ng ating overtime.
Our referees are going over to the scores table right now. I'm trying to clear up something. They say the time is 2.2. That's a lot of time. That's still an eternity of basketball pa dito for
1
APALIT to get a
second
shot.
added for APALIT.
Do you go for the tie or for the win for APALIT?
This could be a very important possession
Wow!
for APALIT.
Zita na naman! Zita na naman!
Look at that! Tingnan mo, itong 47 na barangay captain na papasok sa loob ng court. Look at how happy CJ Delvino was. Look at their emotion. All heart out.
Zita again, the clutch block, and the game-saving steal.
You know, it wasn't still a bad ball game for APALIT. I love it. Pero ang puso kasi ng mga taga-LUBAO ang nanalo for this ball game.
Grabe. What a ball game right here we have witnessed. And LUBAO has just secured their first victory. Take a look at this stop by Zita. Well read yung pasa ni Montalvo, and Zita just took it upon himself for the final 4 seconds of this ball game. The block and the steal.
Score 67-65 is our final score. In fame, of course, level up LUBAO. And look at that emotion coming from Sean Lorico and John Zita on that one. Look at the bench of level up LUBAO. Malaki ang pangako nila kay Mayor Esme Pineda. Our final score once again, 67-65. Level up LUBAO dominantly wins. Now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, dahil kasama niya ang ating best player of the game. MJ, take it away.
At kasama ko nga ngayon ang best player of the game from LUBAO Pampanga na si Franz de la Cruz. Franz, first of all, congratulations and sa team nyo. Now you produced 20 points, 4 rebounds, and 3 assists. Now, my question is, this is your first game for the semis, pero yung laban nyo, binigay nyo yung todo mo, and ikaw yung unang nagbigay ng spark for the first quarter. Ano yung nag-push sa'yo para gumawa at tumulong sa team hanggang fourth quarter?
Muna po sa mga crowd namin, malaki po talagang bagay para sa amin sa mga crowd. I-boost po kami sa game. At nagtiwala lang po ako sa sarili ko sa mga kakampi ko.
Now, paano mo naman dadalhin yon for the next game?
Nagsisipagan pa po namin lalo at mag-hard work pa po lagi sa court. Bibigay po namin yung, hindi naman po 100%, kundi 200% pa po ibibigay namin.
Now, I'm giving you the floor para batiin or pasalamatan ng mga sumusuporta sa inyo.
Ano na po, nagpapathank you po ako kay Lord sa panahon na to at sa mga LUBAO, kay Vice Mayor Timothy Mayor, Mayora Esme, sa mga coaches ko, sina June, Moel, Kenneth, sina mama ko, daddy ko, sa Boss Marty, Coach Bert, tsaka Coach James po.
Thank you. Now, once again, that is the best player of the LUBAO Pampanga, Franz de la Cruz. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. Thank you so much, and congratulations to Franz de la Cruz. They squeak out a victory dito. 2-point victory ang level up LUBAO, 67-66. Angat sila with Florida Blanca, 1-0 sa ating semifinals round. And games for tomorrow. First game will be Florida Blanca kontra APALIT. I love it at 1 p.m. And the second game at 3 p.m. ang level up LUBAO kontra Minalin All-Stars. Bukas po yan, but that ends our games for today. For Penelope Wilhelmina, MJ Raimundo, this is Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Tanan, Direk Billy Ray De Leon, Direk Ramonito Supermon Monroa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup. See you all, Kabalen. Peace!